Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to teach ICSE Maths exercise 21B cone. So let us start first formula 21B. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is a cone. This is radius, this is height, this is slant height. How I will find out slant height? Square root of r square plus h square. Curved surface area of cone is pi r l. Total surface area of cone is pi r into r plus l. Means curved surface area, circular part. Okay, let us start the exercise. I am doing question number 7. The curved surface area of cone is 4070 centimeter square. Curved surface area of cone is 4070 centimeter square. Diameter is 70 centimeter. Radius is 70 by 2, 35 centimeter. Then you have to find out slant height, you have to find out height and volume. So children, curved surface area of cone formula is pi r l, that is equal to 4070. Pi value is 22 by 7. R is 35, L I don't know, 4070. Now cut this one. L is equal to 4070 by 22 into 5. That is 5 8 ja 40, 14, 11, 407. This is 37 centimeter. Then you have to find out, this is the first bit. Second bit is height. Square root of L square minus R square. 37 square minus R square, 35 square. I'll write A square minus B square, that is A plus B into A minus B. 37 plus 35 into 37 minus 35, that is 72 into 2, 144, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Then you have to find out the volume. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3, pi value is 22 by 7. R value is 35 into 35 into 12. 7 5 ja this one. So 22 into 5, 110. 110 into 4, 440 into 35. That is equal to 3 0 ja 0, 3 4 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12 plus 1, 13. 0 0 4 5 15400 centimeter cube. Next I am doing question number 8. Question number 8. How many meter of canvas 1.25 meter wide will be needed to conical tent whose base radius is equal to 17.5 meter, height is 6 meter. So I'll find out the curved surface area of cone. Formula is pi r L. 22 by 7. R is 17.5. I am removing the point. L I don't know. I have to find out L. So to get L, it is 17.5 square plus 6 square. That is, I'll find out 17.5 into 17.5. That is 5 5 ja 25, 2, 17 5 ja 85 plus 2, 87. 7 5 ja 35, 3, 17 7 ja 119 plus 3, 122, 175. 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 5, 16, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. This is 30625. After the 2 decimal point, I'll put the point plus 36. That will be 342.25. You'll get 342.25. Remove the point. No, I'll not remove here point. 1 1 ja 1. This is 2, 42. 1 plus 1, 2. Now what I should give here? 8. 8 8 ja 64. 6. 8 2 ja 16 plus 6. 22. 12 minus 4, 8, 3 minus 2, this is 25. Put point, because point after this point is there. 8, 36. Now let me see that I am putting 5. 5 5 ja 25, 2, 5 6 ja 30 plus 2, 32. This is 18.5. This one you have to show it. Then I'll write 18.5. Remove the point. 10. Now 7 2 ja 14. 7 5 ja 5 5 ja 5 2 ja 5 2 ja. This is 11. Now curved surface area is, this is 11 5 ja 55, 11 8 ja 88, 88 plus 5 99, 11 1 ja 11 plus 1 20 by 2. Check it. 11 5 ja 55, 11 8 ja 88 plus 11 5 ja 55 5, 11 8 ja 88, 88 93, 9. This is 1017.5 centimeter square. Then it is giving width of the canvas is 1.25. Width is 1.25. What is the length of the canvas? 1017.5 by 1.25. That is 10175 by 10, 125 by 100. Okay, so that is 10 cut 25. Now 5 5 ja 5 2 ja 10, 0, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are. Now that is 5 4s are 20, 0 7. 2 7s are 40, 2 4s are 8. 814 meter length. Then I am doing question number 12. A conical tent to accommodate 11 persons, each person must have 4 meters space. So area of the base is one student is occupying 4 meter square. 11 student will occupy 11 into 4, 44 meter square. So pi r square is equal to 44. R square is equal to by 22 by 7, that is 14. R is equal to square root of 14 meter. Now volume of the cone is, it is 11 into 20. Why? Because it is giving that 20 meter cube of air is breathed by one person. So 11 will require 11 into 20 meter cube. Now find the height of the cone. Height of the cone is, I will find out 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 220. 1 by 3, pi value is 22 by 7, r value is root over 14 square, that is 14 into h, 220. So 7 2s are, that is h is equal to 220 by 44 into 3, that is 515 meter. Okay, today I am doing this much. Next video I will do rest of the sums.